If you want to break away from the never full trend, this is a very good option. It holds a whole lot, you know, for a mommy like me. Beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you guys are staying safe. So in today's video, I will actually be talking about this beauty piece that I have on my shoulder right now. I know by the title of the video you already know the bag that I will be talking to you about. So this is actually a review video because I have had this bag for like 3 years plus now, and I'd like to, you know, share with you how it has held up the wear and tear. Also show you some mud shots so you can have like a closer look at how you can wear this particular bag. So without dragging this video for too long, I'd like to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you for your endless support. I do appreciate you, and I'd like to say a very big thank you. Thank you. All right, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to join the family. I make videos like this, and at the end of the day, guys, if you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It actually encourages me. It gives me the energy that I need to continue making videos here on YouTube. So without dragging this intro for too long, I'd like to jump right into the video. So like I mentioned earlier, I have had this beauty piece for the past 3 years now. This is the size MM. There is a PM size and there is MM size. So this is the MM, which is the bigger one. So it's a hobo style bag and it's actually not structured. I have made about 2 videos about this bag already in the past. A video where I unboxed it and a video to show you the bag organizer that I use with it. So if you are interested, I'd advise you go ahead and check the link below for those 2 videos so you can, you know, see the bag like in more details. However, this is mostly just for me, you know, to review the bag and also to show you some more shots. So yeah, so this bag still actually has all the parts that comes with it. Like nothing is damaged, nothing is destroyed. You know, one thing that attracted me to this bag when I got it was the sturdiness of the bag itself in general. Like it feels really strong. Compared to the Never Full, this feels stronger because it has more leather, which is the strap right here, and also because of this hardware here. The hardware around the strap is actually strong. So that's the reason why I actually bought this bag initially. And you know, if you are somebody that just doesn't like the old trendy Never Full bag and you just want to break off from the Never Full trend, this is actually a good option in my opinion. I have both of them and I've used both of them. However, I believe this is a very good alternative to the Never Full bag, just in case. So yes, this bag has held up really well. Like I said, it's a sturdy feeling bag and it has all the parts that came with it. Nothing is damaged, nothing is destroyed, although I do see some tarnishing around the hardware, which is normal, right? So the goal is to have this bag for a long time and eventually it becomes a vintage piece. How else can you tell if it's a vintage piece if it doesn't even have any sign of wear at all, right? So yeah, so it does have like a little tarnish around the hardware. Like you can see some scratches from my nails, from my kids, from where I put it in my office, you know, and all that good stuff. But the hardware is still shiny and it's not broken, you know, so it's still functional. Like the hardware is still functional. So that's a big deal about this bag. Another thing you should know about this bag is the more you wear it, the softer the strap gets. So now the strap of this bag is actually softer compared to when I got it. It does have, if you look closely, it does have some wrinkles from wearing because it actually stays on my shoulder most times. Like most times when I'm wearing this bag, it's on my shoulder. I hardly put it on my arm like this because it might hurt you depending on how much you have in your bag. And for someone like me that carries a lot in my bag, I am never able to wear it on my arm. I mostly wear it on my shoulder, and just because I do that most times, I do have some wrinkles around the leather, which is fine. Like I said, it's not broken or anything, but I do have some wrinkles around the leather, and the leather gets softer as you wear it. One major concern that I had when I got this bag was just because of the structure, right? I'm gonna be showing you some mod shots so you see how it looks like. So whenever you are wearing it, like it can either be like this or like this. However you decide to wear it, like the tip of the bag still gets, you know, kind of, you know, wrinkled. So I was really concerned about it. Like, I was hoping that it doesn't begin to break at the edges. And I can tell you, after 3 years of wearing this bag, I've worn it to the airport, I've worn it to the office, I've worn it a lot. I do not see any breaking around the tip, which is a big deal to me. I was thinking because of this, because it slouches a lot, it's gonna begin to break. I haven't seen anything, you know, it hasn't broken at all. Like, the tip is still as intact as when I got it. It has this magnetic closure at the tip, you know. Even the magnetic closure, it's not as functional like that, because by the time you wear it on your shoulder, it opens up by itself. So you just have to, you have to keep controlling it. You have to keep controlling it. So yeah. So what else? The interior wise, the inside still looks okay. In the inside right now, I have my Samorga bag organizer that I use with it, and I also have, I think that's the box of my Clement's wallet, and I have the dust bag for the bag itself somewhere in the corner of the bag. So interior wise, it's okay. Another concern that I had was with the bottom. Just like the Never Full bag as well, the bottom has no feet, so it's plain like so. So if you look at it closely, it hasn't broken at all. If you look at the edges, I have actually dropped this bag anywhere and everywhere, and you still see no breaks, no damages, no nothing, you know. I don't have to baby my Louis Vuitton bags because I usually go for the Dime Ebin print, so I don't have to baby this bag. So I've actually thrown it, worn it, done anything and everything to this bag. I've enjoyed it, and I've probably even had my wear out of the bag, if you want to calculate the cost per wear. So yeah, it still has the luggage tag right here. One thing I heard is you should always keep your luggage tag on your bag, because if you decide to resell without the luggage tag, it reduces the value in the pre-loved market. If you, I mean, just in case you want to sell your bag. I haven't sold any of my bag before. I haven't bought any bag from the pre-loved market before. This is just an information that I got from another YouTuber that actually did a review on this bag. So she said that, you know, if you still have the luggage tag, because it's a removable part, right? So if you decide to remove it and use it for something else or sell it separately, yes, you're gonna get some money out of it. However, if your Louis Vuitton Graceful bag still has a luggage tag on it, it actually retains the value. So that's all about my review about this bag. You know, it has held up really good. The leather looks okay. The magnetic closure is still as functional as it was since day one. It has not lost its strength in any way. The hardware still looks as shiny and nice as it was, except that it already has scratches from my nails and from wearing it, and the hardware is not broken, it's still perfect. The leather has a little bit of wrinkle just from wearing. The strap is softer now, and what else, the tip still looks perfectly, and interior wise it still look very, very good, and the bottom also looks very, very perfect. So that's everything that I have to tell you about this bag. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you, you know, some mud shots just so you see how I carry the bag. And just FYI, this bag holds a lot, you know, just like the Never Full. Like I said, if you want to break away from the Never Full trend, this is a very good option. It holds a whole lot, you know, for a mommy like me, it holds a lot. I just thought I should mention that. So now let's fast forward to the mud shot. All right, so most times I wear my bag on my shoulder like so, and it stays on like this. So this is what it looks like wearing it on my shoulder. And yeah, so this is what it looks like from this side. It has this shape right here, and I'm gonna turn back to show you on this other side. So the luggage tag actually falls in front or at the back, however. So that's what the back looks like as well. And just like I mentioned earlier, you know, there is limit to how much you can control the slouchiness, if that's a word, of the bag at the top. So it's usually like this, like you just have to wear it like this and just go about your day mostly. So, you know, yeah, so the magnetic closure is like less functional at the end of the day, because by the time you put your hand down like this, it kind of like loses the closure effect, if that makes any sense. So yeah, so this is what the bag looks like on the shoulder. I'm gonna turn my back again. So this is it from the back, and this is it from the front. So another way you can wear it is like on your hand, like so. So yeah, you can wear it like that on your hand, and you can actually wear it like this on your hand like this. If you ask me if I'm still in love with this bag, I am still in love with it. I love it because it's, you know, it's a kind of bag that you wear and you're like, yeah, I'm good. I have all my stuff, you know, you can put your kitchen sink, everything can actually fit inside, and you go about your day. And another thing about this bag is it doesn't dig into your shoulder no matter how much you have in it. So see right here, so this is what it looks like on my shoulder. Even if I have a lot of stuff in it, like if I'm pulling it down right now, it's not digging into my shoulder. So it's really comfortable on the shoulder. So that's one thing you should know as well. So just giving you another look at the bottom, then the side, then the other side, and yeah, so this is my Louis Vuitton Graceful bag in the size MM after 3 years plus. I'm gonna wear it a little bit more and be back again to let you know if anything goes wrong or if anything happens, which I hope not. You know, I hope it continues to hold up well. So I just usually like to come up here to review my bags just to let you know how it has held up in the course of time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful and I hope you have enjoyed it. So remain blessed. Peace.